In honor of my friend Megan's golden birthday next week, I'm going to design an epic gold themed invitation starting with this birthday invitation template that I found in the designer. I'm going to change out the background image here, and I found this image on Pixabay. If you just click this icon, you can search hundreds of thousands of photos to use in your project. I'm going to customize this, and this is going to be the main text, so I'm going to make it really big and move it to the top of the invitation. And to do that, I need to move it forward so that it's on top of the image. I'm going to duplicate this text as well because I want to write the word birthday with the same font and format. Duplicate saves a ton of time when you want to carry over formats. And now I'm going to change out the rest of the text to match the details of the party, and I'm going to align them where I want them to go. I'll do it real quick. Okay, so now that I have this text relatively where I want it, I'm going to break it up with some lines in the Design Elements tab. I've chosen this line and I can resize it, drag it where I want it, and I'm actually going to use the duplicate button because I want to add a few of these lines. That makes it so I don't have to keep resizing from scratch. And I think I want another line, so I'm going to duplicate it once more. Add one right down here. Perfect. I'm going to automatically resize this here to break up this text. And I'm going to use the color picker because I want this line to be the same color as the prose text. And if I just hover over the text, it selects the same color that I want. I'm going to also break up the 28s with this birthday cake. And as you can see, it's not the right color scheme. So I'm going to use the color picker again, hover over the color I want, and turn up the intensity, and it becomes the same color as my color scheme. All right, so one more thing, I'm going to add some text in between these words here because it's her golden birthday, not just a regular old birthday. And I am going to change up the font to be something a little more girly and pretty. I really like Sacramento for that. I should make it quite a bit bigger. And we'll play around with the color as well. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to move that where I want it. And now I'm going to add a drop shadow effect to the main text here. And I can do that by duplicating. And I'm going to change the color to be even a little bit darker than this birthday cake because this is just going to really help highlight the main text. So now if I move this darker text backwards, you see it adds a shadowing effect. I'm going to do the same thing with the word birthday. Duplicate and then change the color to be a little bit darker than this. And then move it backwards and shadow it a bit. And voila! It is a beautiful invitation for a spectacular event, and I can't wait to celebrate with my friend Megan.